Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. Ben is hungry after work. He goes to a fast food restaurant with his friend Emma, but there are too many choices on the menu. Ben wants a good meal, but he cannot decide what to order. Together, they talk about burgers, fries, drinks, and combo meals. You will hear simple, natural English used in real life. Here is today's listening question. What drink does Ben finally choose with his meal? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And after the video, write your answer in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember new words better.
Wow, this place is busy today.
Yeah, and I'm really hungry.
Same here.
The menu is big.
It is. They have a lot of choices.
What do you usually got here?
I usually get the chicken combo.
Really? Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
That sounds good.
Or you can get a burger meal.
The burgers look big.
They are pretty big.
I can't decide.
Take your time.
Thanks.
Are you very hungry today?
Yeah, I didn't eat lunch.
Oh, wow. Then maybe get a combo.
Yeah, maybe.
The combo comes with fries and a drink.
That's nice.
Do you want chicken or beef?
I'm not sure.
The chicken is crispy.
I like crispy chicken.
Then maybe get that.
What are you getting today?
Probably the same thing as always.
The chicken combo?
Yup,
That must be good then.
it is.
What should I get?
Let's look at the pictures.
Oh, this burger looks really good.
Yeah, that one is popular.
It comes with cheese, right?
Yup, cheese and onions.
Nice.
So, burger or chicken?
I still can't decide.
That's okay, we still have time.
Good. I need one more minute.
Sure, let's keep looking. Okay, let's decide now.
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
So, what looks good?
The chicken sandwich looks good.
That one is really popular.
Is it spicy?
A little spicy.
Not too spicy.
No, not too spicy.
That's good.
You can also get the burger combo.
I know. I still like that burger.
The burger comes with fries too.
Oh, really?
Yep, fries and a drink.
That sounds good.
What drink do you want?
I'm not sure yet.
I usually get cola.
I drink cola too much.
Then maybe lemonade?
Oh, lemonade sounds nice.
Especially today, it's hot outside.
True.
Look at this meal here.
Oh, wow, that looks really big.
Yeah, that's the double burger combo.
Too big for me.
Same here.
What size do you usually get?
Medium.
Small or medium?
Medium is better if you're hungry.
Yeah, I'm really hungry today.
Then get medium fries.
Good idea.
So, chicken sandwich or burger? Still thinking?
Yeah,
I think the burger is easier to eat.
true.
And the picture looks really good.
It really does.
I think you want the burger.
Yeah, maybe I do.
Then get it.
Okay, I'll get that.
Nice. Burger combo?
Yep, burger combo with medium fries.
Great choice.
And maybe lemonade.
That sounds really good.
The line is moving slowly.
Yeah, but not too slow.
That's good. I'm so hungry now.
Same. I can already smell the fries.
Yeah, they smell really good.
So, are you getting the burger combo?
Yep, I think so.
Good choice.
I changed my mind like 3 times.
You really did.
First chicken, then burger, then chicken again.
And now burger again.
Yep, final answer.
Nice.
What drink are you getting?
Probably cola.
You always get cola.
I know.
I think I'll get lemonade.
Good idea.
Is the lemonade sweet?
A little, but it's good.
Nice.
Do you want ice too?
Yeah, definitely.
Cold lemonade and hot fries. Perfect.
That sounds amazing right now.
We're almost at the counter.
Oh yeah,
Ready to order?
I think so.
Just say it slowly.
Okay.
What are you going to say?
Can I get a burger combo?
Perfect.
Medium fries, please.
Yep.
With a lemonade.
Sounds great.
What sauce should I get?
Maybe barbecue sauce.
Is it good?
Yeah, really good with fries.
Okay, maybe I'll try that.
Nice.
Oh, it's our turn next.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready now.
Great. Let's order.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Hi, can I get a burger combo?
Sure. Which burger would you like?
The classic burger, please.
Okay.
And medium fries.
Medium fries. Got it.
Thanks.
What drink would you like?
Lemonade, please.
Small or medium?
Medium, please.
Okay. 1 medium lemonade.
Yep.
Would you like ice with that?
Oh, yes, please.
No problem.
Thanks.
Would you like any sauce?
Sorry, one more time?
Sure. What sauce would you like?
Oh, right.
We have ketchup, barbecue, and cheese sauce. Barbecue sauce is popular.
Okay. Barbecue sauce, please.
Great choice.
Thanks.
Anything else today?
No, that's all.
Okay. Let me check your order.
Sure.
1 classic burger combo.
Yep.
Medium fries.
Right.
1 medium lemonade with ice.
Yes.
And barbecue sauce.
Correct. Perfect. Great.
Your total is $12.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Your food will be ready soon.
Sounds good.
Please wait near the pickup area.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, the food is ready already.
Nice. That was fast.
Your burger smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Let's check the tray first.
Good idea.
Okay, burger,
Yep, it's here.
medium fries,
Got 'em.
lemonade with ice,
Yep, right here.
and your barbecue sauce.
Oh, good. I almost forgot that.
Everything is here.
Nice.
Are you happy with your order?
Yeah, really happy.
Good.
I'm glad I got the burger combo.
I told you it looked good.
You were right.
And the lemonade?
Really good. Very cold, too.
Perfect for today.
Yeah, it's so hot outside.
Want to sit over there?
Sure, near the window?
Yep.
Great.
Careful with your drink.
Oh, thanks.
Your fries look really crispy.
Want one?
Sure, thanks.
Here you go.
Oh, wow, these are good.
Right?
The barbecue sauce is good too.
Yeah, I like it.
Good choice.
At first, I really couldn't decide.
I know.
But this meal is perfect.
Nice. Maybe you'll order it again next time.
Probably.
Same order?
Yep, burger combo with lemonade.
Sounds like your new favorite meal.
Honestly, I think it is.
So, how's the burger?
Really good. I'm happy with my order.
Nice.
Thanks for helping me choose.
No problem.
At first, I really couldn't decide.
Yeah, the menu was big,
Too many choices.
but you figured it out.
Yep.
First, you looked at the burgers.
Right?
Then you looked at the chicken sandwiches.
Yeah, I almost got the chicken sandwich.
After that, you changed your mind again.
I changed my mind a lot today.
You really did.
But the burger combo was the right choice.
Definitely.
And the lemonade is really good, too.
Good.
I usually get cola, so this is different.
Sometimes it's nice to try something new.
True.
What did you say at the counter again? You said, "Can I get a burger combo?"
Oh, yeah.
Then you said, "Medium fries, please."
Right.
And with a lemonade.
Yep.
Very smooth.
Except for the sauce question.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't hear the cashier the first time.
But you handled it well.
I just said, sorry, one more time?
Exactly. That's a very useful phrase.
Yeah, simple and easy.
And the cashier repeated the question slowly.
That helped a lot.
See, everything went fine.
Yep, much easier than I thought.
Will you order the same thing next time?
Probably.
Burger combo with medium fries?
And lemonade with ice.
Perfect.
I'm already thinking about next time.
Great job listening today. Ben finally chose a burger combo with a lemonade, and in the end, he felt happy with his meal. Step by step, he asked questions, made a choice, and ordered his food naturally. Sometimes everyday English can feel easier when we hear it slowly and many times. You also practiced many useful phrases today, like, can I get, that sounds good, medium fries, please, and sorry, one more time? These are real phrases people use every day in restaurants. Now, here is the listening question again. What drink did Ben choose with his meal? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember the story longer. And if this video helped you feel more comfortable with English listening, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy English practice. If you would like to support more relaxing stories for learners, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next English Listening Stories video.